So what Osho said was the sentence that commonly said ki all is good, all is well, yeah, everything happens for one's own good, is a sentence which is so full of flaw. How can someone think of death being good? How can someone think of ki their baby is born and it's past? What's so good about it? There's nothing good about it. There's nothing right about it, right? So everything happens for one's own good when we say, or all is well, is not a sentence that people can relate to. But then he says that this particular sentence was given by a philosopher Lao Tse, and whatever he was saying was in his own context, as an observer. What it meant was, and it just occurred to me, I'll give it to you in the very quick summary of it because I think you might not be interested otherwise. The crux of it was, again from Gita, all is okay is basically for the people who are into that stable or that equanimity state.
Sambhav.
Tathasth.
Sambhav.
To him, neither the sorrow or the bad things affect their inside, nor the good, because they have surrendered to thee, that is God, in entirety. That whatever is happening is God's choice. Who am I to interfere in that?
Krishna, you surrender to me and you do your karma without
That's it, without attachment to that. Yeah, without attachment to the outcome, without attachment to people, without attachment to. So it's जो same है, इसलिए उसके लिए तो सब सही है ना, सब ठीक है फिर तो. To that person, and then he quotes, in fact, when we land up saying it's bad, it's not that we have not surrendered to thee, that is God, and also it is reflection of our expectations deep inside somewhere.
Duality.
And our ego. And our... So, and then he tells the story of that is very popular now, that the fox one, what was it? लोमड़ी के अंगूर खट्टे. तो बोलते हैं कि इसकी स्टोरी अगर आगे फिनिश भी करनी होती तो वो लोमड़ी जिम में गई, अपने आप को उसने मसल डेवलप किया, इट हैड लॉट ऑफ फूड एंड इट केम बैक टू द सेम ट्री, jumped and got that अंगूर, that grape. ये बात और है कि जब उसने अंगूर जंप करके लिए तो भी वो खट्टे ही थे, खा लिए, लेकिन उसका टेस्ट खट्टा था. लेकिन अब क्योंकि उसने इतनी मेहनत करके लिए तो वो खट्टे हैं तो भी उसको मीठा बोलेगी. सो दिस इज आवर ईगो विच विल नॉट लेट गो ऑफ थिंग्स easily, which will either ways try to justify itself. ठीक है ना? तो बोल लगा कि हमारे साथ ये जो अटैचमेंट है टू थिंग्स, टू पीपल, टू इमोशंस, टू आउटकम्स, तो मतलब I really admire sometimes. I feel कि when I listen to all these talks, I definitely have to be very, very firm with my with Gita principles. What it says is the whole story was summed up exactly in 2 lines, right? A, संभाव ले आओ. B, you have right on your karma, stay detached to the outcome. Right? That's it.